कई दिन से दिखाई नहीं दिए, कहाँ रह रहे हो? मेरी आंखें आपके दर्शनों के लिए तरस रही थी। मुझे विश्वास है आप कोरोना से सुरक्षित हो। मैं सच्ची सच्ची बोलता हूँ, आप दरिया दिल हो, लेकिन आपका पड़ोसी कंजूस है और उसका पड़ोसी अनाड़ी है। लेटेस्ट न्यूज, दीपिका को ड्रग्स की लत है। आहिस्ता बोलो, दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं। So guys, let's go to the class. And here we will learn how to speak such sentences in English with RPN.
Guys, in English conversation, subject plays an important role. What is subject? Subject is the main part of sentences that we speak. Subject is something about which we talk. Subject can be anything like person, place, animal, insects, etc. Today we will learn how to speak about any subject from past, present, and future point of view. Let's go to the first section where we will learn what to use while speaking about any subject in past, present, and future. Let's start with self. अगर आपको अपने बारे में कोई बात कहनी है, please use subject I. If we talk about past, we will use was. For example, अगर आपको कहना है, मैं खुश थी, please say I was happy. If we talk about present, please use am. For example, अगर आपको कहना है, मैं खुश हूँ, please say I am happy. If we talk about future, use will be. For example, I will be happy. Let's take next subject. अगर आपको अपने ग्रुप के बारे में कोई बात कहनी है, please use subject we. If we talk about past, we will use
Were,
If we talk about present, please use
are,
If we talk about future, we will use will be. For example, अगर आपको कहना है, हम पढ़ाकू थे, please say
we were studious.
Let's take next subject. अगर आपको जिससे बात करनी है उसके बारे में कुछ कहना हो तो please use subject you. While talking to this subject, we will use same words that we used for we. For example, अगर किसी ने कोई काम नया सीखना शुरू किया है और आपको उसको कहना है, तुम नौसिखिया हो, please say you are novice. अगर आपको किसी एक इंसान या किसी जानवर या फिर किसी भी चीज का नाम लेकर कुछ कहना है, please use subject name. For example, you can use name of any person like Naman. If we talk about past, we will use was. If we talk about present, please use is. If we talk about future, we will use will be. For example, अगर आपको कहना है, नमन वहाँ होगा, and say, Naman will be there. If you want to speak about any single male without using his name, please use subject he. Please use same words that you used with name. For example, अगर आपको कहना है, वो दरिया दिल है, please say he is open-handed. If you want to speak about any single female without using his name, please use she. Please use same words that you used with he. For example, अगर आपको कहना है, वो कंजूस थी, please say she was miser. किन्हीं दो या दो से अधिक इंसानों के बारे में कहना है, Please use subject they. Please use same words that you used with you and we. For example, अगर आपको कहना है वे अनाड़ी हैं, please say they are bumpkin. Let's take some examples to speak about different subjects in past, present and future. मैं शुगर से सुरक्षित हूँ. किसी भी चीज जैसे कि कोई बीमारी से सुरक्षित होने के लिए we use
Immune to something.
please say
I am immune to sugar.
उसको धूम्रपान की लत है. जब किसी को किसी चीज की लत पड़ जाती है we use
Given to something.
please say
He's given to smoking.
वह तुमसे परिचित है. We can use here
Familiar with somebody.
please say
They are familiar with you.
तुम पैसों के लिए तरसोगे. किसी भी चीज को लेकर तरसने के लिए we use
Pining for something.
please say
You will be pining for money.
next. वो बेटे के लिए तरस रही थी. किसी भी इंसान को लेकर तरसने के लिए we use
Pining for somebody.
please say
She was pining for sun.
here is one more. हम मिलने के लिए तरस रहे थे. किसी भी एक्शन को लेकर तरसने के लिए we use
Pining for action plus ing.
please say
We were pining for meeting.
let's do practice here. Here is a structure I dash dash ready. Here we can use three sentences. For present we can say I am ready. For past we can say I was ready. For future we can say I will be ready. Here are some more structures. Please try this for each after pausing video. Let's go to the next section for daily use sentences. Sometimes we see a person after a long time. Here we can say कई दिन से दिखाई नहीं दिए, कहाँ रह रहे हो?
Long time no see. Where have you been?
मेरी आंखें तुम्हारे दर्शन के लिए तरस रही हैं.
My eyes are pining for your visit.
कान तुम्हारी मीठी आवाज के लिए तरस रहे थे.
Ears were pining for your sweet voice.
Let's go to the next section for word for a person. Here are some words which we have already discussed in this chapter. Please use them in any sentences after pausing video. Let's go to the next section which is idioms and proverbs. कई बार जब हमें कोई राज की बात बताता है, हम अक्सर उसको बोलते हैं आहिस्ता बोलो, दीवारों को भी कान होते हैं. Please say here, even walls have ears. Once my friend was telling me business plan. I said to him, speak slowly. Even walls have ears. Here is the next section. Practice, practice and practice.
Please pause for practice.
Thank you guys. Have a nice time.